Hello, I'm Sarah, and today we're going to be making samosas with my niece Lily.
Hello.
One of our family traditions is to make Indian food after a big holiday. We're going to be making 3 different kinds of samosas, 2 out of leftovers, and 1 with
Chocolate.
I'm just going to say that will be your favorite, no matter what.
Let's do this.
Okay, let's do this. So the first samosa that we're gonna make is the one with the mashed potatoes. We start with chopped onions and oil, ginger and garlic. Flop. So we have a teaspoon of 4 different spices. We have turmeric, garam masala, cumin, and coriander. These spices are in almost every Indian recipe. So we have some chopped serrano chilies. Just add them based on how spicy you want it. So here's the tomato paste.
Oh.
Does that look like tomato paste?
I thought you said potato paste.
Potato paste, that's another way to say mashed potato. This smells really good. It's making me very hungry. We have about 1.5 pounds or 4 medium-sized potatoes in this mash. So you wanna add some salt and pepper?
I like it salty.
Yeah, brings out the flavor, right? One thing that we love to do to make it more like a classic samosa is to put peas in. We also love veg. One of the little easy hacks that we do in our family is we just use regular flour tortillas, or we use like a chickpea flour tortilla instead of using like a typical samosa wrap. Okay, so how do you fold a samosa?
The first thing you're gonna do is take a corner, fold it, grease it just a teeny bit. Do the same thing on the other side, fold it on top of that other little triangle, and then you're gonna pinch it a little. Simple. Kind of reminds me of a little tortilla ice cream cone.
So we're gonna make a paste out of flour and water.
And then you're just gonna put some of the paste, and then you're gonna stick it, and then we'll stuff it.
I think this is such a good recipe to do with your kids because they can have a lot of fun just kind of filling them with whatever they want, and it's an easy process for them no matter what their age is.
There you go.
Perfect. It's a great snack, and they're also really delicious in lunch boxes.
First samosa finished.
And then I'm gonna take this brush and put a little bit of ghee. You can also use butter or olive oil. And I'm just gonna brush the samosa, which gives it this nice golden-y color. These look lovely. Are you ready to put them in the oven?
Yep.
So we have the oven set to 400, and we're gonna bake these for 12 to 15 minutes. We've just made some delicious samosas. One is the traditional potato and pea, which we use leftover mashed potatoes for. Another is the turkey and potato. It's our little experiment to see how those taste with cranberry sauce. And the third version is
Chocolate.
which we're gonna try with whipped cream.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the turkey one because that's my little experiment.
I'm gonna try the chocolate one.
Okay. Oh, good.
I'm getting chocolate. Let's try that again.
This is really good.
Oh yeah. That's
that
much
good?
better.
Cheers.
Yes.
So, as you can see, it's super easy. You can make a different version for all the different picky eaters in your home. What do you think, Lily? Should we share these with the crew?
Sure.
Okay.
Samosas for everyone.
This is 10 out of 10.
Chocolate. We did it. Oh, yay! It's